Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you all the details of the Hyundai IONIQ 5. This will be a first look and walk around this impressive electric vehicle from Hyundai. It's a brand new car, sits on the dedicated platform just for the EV vehicles, and that's why we have this interesting design. 4 meters 64 is the length, but the wheelbase is 3 meters. That's really impressive. We have a huge amount of room inside, but let's start with the design. It's a very unusual design. Now on the front you have this pixel like LED lights. You see now they illuminate and they do look very cool indeed. Let me take a closer look. You see they do look like they are some kind of pixels, and I quite like that, something that you don't see often. They are connected with this gloss black element to make the car appear wider. Also, I do love the shape of the car. The lines are very sharp indeed. We have the massive badge, we have the camera and the sensors, and also the skid plate to make it more robust. Let me show you now the side profile. The wheels, they are huge. We have a 20-inch wheels on this model, very aerodynamic wheels in dual tone. You see we have the Pilot Sport EV. This is a special tire made for the electric vehicles. Look at the wheel arches. Look how cool this looks. Similar to the Kia EV6, but that one has a different pattern. Of course, we know that Kia and Hyundai are very similar, so yeah, but you see this pattern, and also I do love the pattern on the side skirts as well. Side profile, once again, very strong lines. Let's take a look at those door handles. You see, very impressive and futuristic design. I will show you the interior in a moment. For now, let's check out the car from the rear. Very modern LED lights and pixel look-alike LED pattern, IONIQ 5 lettering, as well as the badge. Same pattern goes here, and the sensors, of course, lettering, and the rear view camera is hidden underneath this. So let's check this out from this angle. Quite cool. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the design of this thing? And now let me show you the trunk. And this is the trunk space. We have a square shape, and as you can see, they already have quite a lot of things inside. And we can also pull this, so you have additional room on the sides. You can also pull this up so that you hide your things from unwanted views from the people that are going around the car. But yeah, let's put it back to this one. We have the classic light on our left, but on our right there is no light. And well, yeah, that's it when we talk about the trunk. And in order to close it, you just need to press this, and now it closes. You have a very cool illumination of the LED lights at the back. Okay, and this is the interior of this car. Just look at this. We have the flat bottom. We also have a lot of storage room. We have the 12-volt power outlet and the USB port. Look at those two screens, and almost look like they're connecting. And 2-spoke steering wheel, a rather unusual one if you ask me. Now this is the central part that can be moved, I believe. You also have the armrest, which is very slim, and huge amount of room in here, additional USB ports, and the cup holders as well. I do think that this seat is very comfortable. Just look at this. Because of the whole situation, we are not allowed to sit inside, but you can clearly see, the interior, and the cabin really looks gorgeous, almost like a living room. And that's what they were trying to do, have this lounge atmosphere inside, and I think they really did a good job. And also look at the door pocket, really huge, and the amount of room that you have here is really impressive. And one thing that I also need to mention, it's a very cool feature, it's an option. also the solar roof panels that you see here, but of course you can't rely on them. You have the real charging port here, and this is what gets you most of the range. And speaking about the range and the batteries, there are various options available. You can have the all-wheel drive layout with 2 motors, you can have the rear-wheel drive layout. There are different batteries available, so all the options will be in the description so that you can see exactly what's on offer. And that is pretty much it from Milan. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more car reviews and car videos. We have a beautiful ambient here, and I hope you liked this quick walk around. Subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.